Hello, future home sellers. Today we're diving into a topic that is crucial for a successful home sale, and that is getting your house ready for the market. So, I'm going to give you 5 tips that will help you to make your property shine. So, let's jump right in. First tip, curb appeal. So this is one that a lot of sellers happen to miss. They get so focused on the inside of their house that they forget about the curb appeal. Home buyers are going to show up at your house and the exterior is the first thing they're going to see. So you want to start creating a good experience for them before they even enter the house. So the landscaping is very important. Make sure to keep it simple, nothing too exotic. You want it to be simple and neat so that it looks good, but buyers also feel like it's something that they can maintain if they were to buy your house. Painting the front door, adding some potted plants are all other good things that you can do to just spruce up the outside of your home. By the way, I'm Latasha Chedda, realtor with Properties, Christie's International Real Estate. If you would like personalized advice on buying or selling real estate in Chicago suburbs, I'd love the opportunity to connect with you. My info can be found in the description. Now back to the tips. Second tip, declutter and depersonalize. You'll want to clear out unnecessary items so that rooms feel more spacious, and try to eliminate a lot of personal touches such as family photos. Remember, buyers want to envision themselves living in the property, so you'll want to keep the atmosphere neutral and inviting. Third tip, deep clean. A clean home is a sold home. Consider hiring professionals to deep clean your home. The carpets, the windows, and just every nook and cranny. A spotless home not only looks good, but it also gives buyers the impression that your home has been well maintained. Number 4, minor repairs. Take a walk through your home and look for those repairs that you've been putting off. Things like leaky faucets, peeling paint, squeaky doors. Although they may seem insignificant to you, these are things that can have an impact on the overall impression buyers have of your house. Also, if there are any more major issues with your home that need repair, try to do those before you put your house on the market. Otherwise, you will be required to disclose those on your real property disclosure, which could scare off some potential buyers. And number 5, last but not least, lighting and staging. You want to optimize the lighting to create a bright and inviting atmosphere. I've heard feedback from many buyers I've worked with in the past that some houses they go into, the rooms just feel dark and it really turns them off. So make sure that your rooms look bright. Check for any burnt out light bulbs in your house. Make sure that you replace them. Make sure that the light bulbs are consistent so that you don't have 2 lights in a fixture that are different than the other 2 light bulbs. But keep it bright. Buyers really love that. And as far as staging, this is a great way to help showcase the full potential of a space in a house. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate insights. Until next time, happy selling.